Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you tired of leaky roofs and sky-high repair costs? In this video, we will show you how to achieve a modern, durable roof without breaking the bank. We will explore popular roofing materials, compare costs, discuss design trends, and highlight energy-efficient options. Plus, we will introduce Veewave Enterprises, your trusted partner for hassle-free construction projects. Let's dive into the popular roofing options available in Kenya. First up, we have stone-coated metal roofing, known for its durability and sleek appearance. This material is a great choice for those seeking a premium look. For a more budget-friendly option, consider polycarbonate sheets. Lightweight and versatile, they are ideal for outdoor structures like pergolas and extensions. If you're looking for a classic, stylish options, shingled roofing is a popular choice. Available in various colors and textures, shingles offer a timeless appeal. Finally, for those on a tight budget, corrugated roofing sheets are a practical and affordable solution. Now, let's talk about cost. The price of a roof depends on several factors, including the material, size of your roof, and labor cost. Here's a general comparison of the materials we discussed. Remember, these are approximate cost and actual prices may vary. A well-designed roof can not only enhance your home's appearance, but also improve its functionality. Modern designs like gable, butterfly, and hip roofs offer a combination of aesthetics and practicality. In addition to design, energy-efficient techniques can help reduce your long-term cost. Consider factors like insulation, ventilation, and overhangs to optimize your roof's performance. One way to reduce your energy consumption is to invest in reflective roofing materials. These materials help to reflect sunlight, keeping your home cooler in the summer and reducing your energy bills. For even greater energy savings, consider solar shingles. These innovative materials can generate clean energy and help offset your electricity costs. To ensure the longevity of your roof, regular maintenance is essential. This includes cleaning gutters, inspecting for damage, and addressing any issues promptly. With proper care, most roofing materials can last for many years. Some materials like stone-coated metal and shingles are known for their durability. At Veewave Enterprises, we understand that choosing the right roof can be a daunting task. That's why we offer comprehensive construction management services to guide you through the process. From material sourcing to project management, our team of experts will ensure that your roof is installed efficiently and to the highest standards. With Veewave Enterprises, you can have peace of mind knowing that your construction project is in good hands. To wrap up, choosing the right roof is an important decision that can impact your home's value and comfort. By considering popular materials, comparing cost, and exploring modern design trends, you can find an affordable solution that meets your needs. Veewave Enterprises is here to assist you every step of the way. Contact us today, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more construction tips and tricks. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below.